Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you that can transform your fitness routine and improve your overall well-being. We're going to talk about the incredible benefits of planking for just 10 minutes a day. Yes, you heard that right, only 10 minutes. Let's dive in. Before we get into the benefits, let's quickly review the correct planking technique. Start by getting into a push-up position, ensuring that your hands are directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core and maintaining a neutral spine. And remember, quality is more important than quantity when it comes to planking. The first benefit of planking is improved core strength. Planking engages your entire core, including your abdominal muscles, lower back, hips, and glutes. By consistently performing planks, you'll notice increased stability and a stronger core. This not only improves your posture, but also reduces the risk of lower back pain. To spice things up and target different muscle groups, you can try different plank variations like side planks, plank jacks, or elevated planks. Variety keeps things interesting and challenges your body in new ways. The second benefit of incorporating planks into your daily routine is improved posture. Many of us spend hours sitting at desks or hunching over screens, which can lead to poor posture and back problems. Planks activate the muscles responsible for maintaining good posture, helping you stand taller and align your spine properly. Remember, when you're performing planks, focus on keeping your body aligned. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and keep your shoulders away from your ears. Practicing proper posture during planks can have a positive impact on your overall posture throughout the day. The third benefit of planking is improved flexibility. While planks primarily target your core, they also engage muscles in your shoulders, hamstrings, and even your feet. By regularly performing planks, you'll notice increased flexibility in these areas, which can enhance your athletic performance and daily activities. After your plank workout, it's important to stretch those muscles that have been engaged. Focus on stretching your hamstrings, shoulders, and chest to maximize the benefits of your planking routine. Stretching not only helps improve flexibility, but also aids in preventing muscle soreness. Now, let's talk about the fourth benefit of planking: enhanced mental health. Planks are not just physical exercises, they also have a positive impact on your mind. When you hold a plank, you need mental focus and determination. This practice of staying present and pushing through challenges can have a profound effect on your mental well-being. During your planks, take deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling slowly. This deep breathing technique helps calm your mind, reduces stress levels, and increases oxygen flow to your brain. By incorporating planks into your routine, you'll experience improved mental clarity and a sense of accomplishment. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of planking for just 10 minutes a day. Let's recap what we've covered so far. First, planking strengthens your core, improving stability and reducing the risk of lower back pain. Second, it enhances your posture, helping you stand tall and align your spine correctly. Third, planking improves flexibility, benefiting various muscle groups and enhancing your overall athletic performance. And finally, it promotes mental well-being by fostering focus, determination, and reducing stress levels. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about planking. Some people believe that planks are only effective for building a six-pack or getting a toned midsection. While it's true that planking can help sculpt your abs, its benefits extend far beyond that. Planking is a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, contributing to overall strength and well-being. Another misconception is that planking for longer durations yields better results. However, research suggests that quality is more important than quantity. Maintaining proper form and engaging your muscles effectively during those 10 minutes is key. Remember, a well-executed 10-minute plank session is far more beneficial than a sloppy 30-minute one. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate planking into your daily routine. Start by setting aside 10 minutes each day for your plank workout. You can do it in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening to unwind. Find a comfortable spot, whether it's at home, in the gym, or even at the office. To stay motivated, set achievable goals and gradually increase the difficulty of your planks. You can try adding seconds to your hold time, trying different plank variations, or challenging yourself with advanced techniques like plank walks or mountain climbers. Remember to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. If you're new to planking, it's important to start slowly and focus on proper form. Begin with shorter durations, such as 30 seconds, and gradually build up your strength and endurance. It's better to perform a few quality planks than to rush through numerous sloppy ones. Finally, remember to combine planking with a balanced diet and regular cardiovascular exercise for optimal results. Planks are a great addition to any fitness routine but should be part of a well-rounded approach to overall health and fitness. So, whether you're looking to strengthen your core, improve your posture, increase flexibility, or boost your mental well-being, planking for just 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference in your life. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that offers a multitude of benefits. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Now it's time for you to grab your mat, get into position, and start planking your way to a stronger and healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy,